Example 2, writing systems of inequalities. Tickets for an event cost $3 for kids and $6 for adults. The event hopes to make at least $450 in total sales, and the event center has 120 seats. Write a system of inequalities representing this situation. The first thing we want to do is define our two variables. So it looks like in this problem we are talking about tickets for kids and tickets for adults. And yes, we can always choose to use the letter K to represent the tickets for the kids and A to represent the tickets for adults. I prefer to use X's and Y's just to make things a little bit more streamlined and look familiar with what we're used to. So for this example, we are going to let X represent the number of tickets for kids. And we're going to let Y represent the number of tickets for adults. Now we need to create our system of inequalities, which means we need to go back, read the information from the problem, and create two inequalities from this. Now, the first inequality is very plain to see. $3 for kids, $6 for adults, and we need at least $450 in total sales. So when I write my inequality, 3x plus 6y, and I know that my total has to be at least $450. What does this phrase "at least" mean? Can we go over $450? Do we need to stay under $450? At least means that 450 is the smallest amount of money that we can make. We do not want to go any lower than $450. Anything above $450 would be awesome. So our inequality symbol for at least is a greater than or equal to symbol. The next inequality might not be as easy to read in the problem. It comes from this piece of information right here that says the event center has 120 seats. So that means all of the seats for the kids plus all of the seats for adults has to be 120 seats. Now let's think about that. If we're looking at an auditorium or an event center, and we know that we can only hold 120 seats or people, for our inequality symbol, do we want to use a greater than or a less than for that? Could I fit more than 120 people in a seat in this event center? No, I can only fit less than or equal to 120 people, kids and adults included. Kids and adults included. This inequality right here really takes some skill and reading comprehension in order to understand the problem and what it means. Please always be on the lookout for this inequality.